everybody. We got a 1959 Seahorse, Super Seahorse 35. And it runs, but he's got a power issue where he says that he doesn't really have a lot of power. And it's a pretty light boat, so he should have more power than I guess he is getting. So anyway, it's kind of first look at it, and you know, it's just a 35 horsepower, and it's just a manual tilt, 1959. It's actually in pretty decent shape. I guess it was garage kept. We're going to go through it, do a compression test on it, and maybe look at a few things and see if we see anything Captain Obvious. First thing to do would be to take the cowling off, and we got a little thing here. These were made where the front should pop down. It's got a little front little latch. We're not going to get too crazy here. Whereas I think this, yeah, that's very interesting. It's like a little plastic retainer there. These things were so hard to get off, I swear. So it looks like this one might have had, I don't know, I'm not sure how this one comes apart, because that's one of these things I don't know a lot about. Comes off like the other one. So yeah, it's got a little front compartment. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's got a little tag here, which I'm reading upside down. And it just kind of tells you how to start it. And I think, I'm not sure, but I want to say there was an emblem here. Maybe not, I'm not sure, but so bring it closer. It's the old style with the fuel bowl, fuel pump. I like to check all the lines. We had a couple of things laying down, which were probably a stop. This is probably our stop there. Carburetor looks pretty dirty. Oh yeah, extremely dirty. Got lots of. I should pull this out. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's very dirty. It definitely needs to be cleaned. But you can see all the debris right in here. I just started to wipe it. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Had kind of a mixture knob here. This is your, I think this is rich or lean. So this is your low speed idle adjust, and looks like they had a pull to choke. So I'm guessing, you know, this didn't have an electronic choke. You had to pull that window down, and then you would do this. Or no, we do have a choke solenoid down here. So we do have a choke solenoid, and pretty much old school starter. It should be old school. It's 1959, and looks like somebody dropped a spark plug way down in here. I guess they didn't know how to get it out. I don't know if you can see it. It's way down in there. Some of these fuel lines, they don't look too great. I guess this is is this an old school solenoid? I'm not sure. It's the choke solenoid. You got lots of remnants. Start slow. Not sure what this is. Looks like whatever it is, it has been disconnected. So this is probably some sort of start switch. Interesting. Yeah, she's really dirty. The serious bath, but yeah. So see, this fuel line's pretty. This is it. Looks like old gray fuel line. Does have some pressure on it, which is good. Looks really, really bad. It's another one of those where it needs a little O-ring. I always get an O-ring kit at the auto parts place, and just helps it to seal. So it might have been sucking some air on him is why. But we're not sure. At least they got this right. There's a points motor, obviously. So you got a condenser and points, and a couple of coils in there. You never want to see this stuff. That's probably a repair that needs to happen. Just almost right out of the gate, just to see if it even is touching. But if that's that's a ground wire. So you know, we might have a bad ground. Let's see where that's going over here to. Which is going, where is it going?